Hey, this is Carl. Special Yes TV vlog here. So I got this pretty inexpensive custom amp, and I was sold the fact that it has an output on it. Now I opened the manual, and that subwoofer out is 150 hertz cutoff, so that definitely can't be used as the output. And then I saw in the manual also this sync feature is used to synchronize two custom PA50 amp systems. Now that's going to be a problem if that doesn't produce some kind of output, because I have my nice XA30 here, which has XLR balanced inputs, so I can run a cord all the way across my venue and get that nice output without any interference in the line. And that's why I bought this, because it has a balanced output that I can put into my my semi-pro camera. So I got a nice cheap microphone, and I'm going to test it out, and I hope I don't have to return it. So I'm going to put the output and then the input into here. I removed all other inputs. I've set input 2 to be the external source. I'll start with line. Now let me plug in my microphone, my condenser mic input. This does provide phantom power, and it has some nice mixer controls, which is the other reason I got this. Test 1, 2. No, nothing yet. Well, okay. Oh, what's that? Well, the sound has changed, and I saw that on another YouTube, but I definitely get an output here. So maybe I just need to turn the volume up a little bit. Yes, it definitely cuts the volume output. So I wonder what it is about the custom that having this sync output reduces the volume. Could it be that it's expecting a different power level from the other speaker? That's all right. I don't need a huge amount of power. This is definitely enough for me, and I can turn it. It'll definitely suit my needs, and I can get some high quality direct output from 3 inputs into my camera for a venue. So I can do some small series lectures with this setup. See ya.